We're going to take the CineStill 400D out of its box, load it in a couple cameras, and then I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with this film stock so you know what to expect. To open 400D, we're going to open it on this end and then pull this tab off. We pull the tab off so that if your camera has a film memo holder on it, you can slide the tab into that holder and know what type of film you have loaded and that you're shooting. We're going to pull the cassette tub out of the box, just like this. Now, some cameras have an automatic advance system built into them. And if yours does, all you have to do is open the back of the camera, put the 35mm roll in here, pull out the leader until the end of it reaches that orange index, and then close your camera, and your camera will advance the film for you. Some cameras like this have silver contacts inside of the cassette chamber, and they read this DX code on the film cassette, and that tells the camera what speed film you're using. If your camera does not have contacts, like this one does not, then you need to manually enter your film speed. This is a 400 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same. If your camera has an advance lever like this one does, what we're going to do is open up the back of the camera. We're going to drop the film into this camera, just like this, into the cassette chamber, pull out a leader, and we're going to feed it into the take-up spool over here, put our finger over the sprocket like this, and advance just like that. Close the back of the camera, advance to frame number 1, and remember to set your ASA or ISO dial to 400. And now here are sample photos taken with 400D so you know what to expect from this film.